Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I am going to guide you on how to get $35 promo code on Safeway. It is a very simple step. For that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser in your mobile device. Here I am going to open Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search Safeway promo codes. Now various websites with the coupons will be displayed. For this video, we will go for the coupon follow. Now here you can see tons of options and offers going on. You have to choose the one that feels right for you. If you want to get Safeway coupons instantly, then you have to enter your email at the email box and they will be sending you coupon codes instantly. Now for this video, we will go for the $20 off, which is $20 off groceries plus free delivery. Now tap on it. Within a minute, the code will be displayed. All you have to do is tap on copy. After that, you can tap on redeem at Safeway and you can go to the application or website, enter your login ID. And while checking out, there you can see the promo code box. Then you can enter the promo code that you have copied and the promo code will be applied and you will be getting the service and the discount that you have choose accordingly. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.